overall, there's many benefits to getting a painted metal roofing system. The first is that paint serves as a protection or a coating over that metal, and that extends the warranty of the metal, upwards of a 40-year warranty. Aside from that, the paint helps with emissivity and reflectivity, which is what keeps your home cool. Then, when you paint your metal roof, it becomes an Energy Star product. This equals savings every single month on that electric bill. So there's many reasons to ask your roofing contractor to show you the colors when you're in the market for a metal roof.